Okay, we left off with us sitting in a surrogate around the Earth. Let's go back now to our ship that's on the moon. And we'll bring up TransX both sides and take a look at our plan. We want to make sure we're first targeting ships. We're going to target S1, which is the name of our ship on the Earth. And we want to also make sure that our arrival is pretty tight. I'm going to go ahead and reduce it a tiny bit. That looks pretty close. And we want to get in a little tighter view. So I've gone to scale to view out of setup. All, we'll change that. Now you can notice we've got a pretty tight view looking at our arrival at the Earth. Now we need to eject. Let's find the date. Here it is, variables, at 55117.9, and that's actually almost a full Earth day from now. So I'm going to advance the time until we're just maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours before. And we're almost there. Okay, we're approximately 1 moon orbit in time away from the time we're supposed to leave. And it says that when we do that, we'll be arriving here at the Earth at about 1:22 and a half a day. Let's verify that. Just looking over here, we'll switch to S1, and we can see that where is it? We'll go forward, view, variable to date, and 1:22 and a little over a half. So we know that we're arriving at the Earth approximately the time that we want to leave to go to Mars. So we're going to switch now back to our ship on the moon. And we want to actually do our launch now. So we're going to need to pick a launch heading. So we want, first of all, let's change in setup over to get a view that's not ecliptic, but rather plan. Now we'll come back to escape plan. And we want to reduce our PE distance down to something small. Oh, that's pretty close. Maybe that's a little too close, but that's pretty good. And variable to eject orientation. We want to swing the white line around until it touches or is just barely in front of our green. Okay, now we've got, it says that we want a launch heading of 64.58 degrees. I'm pretty sure that everybody here who's capable of following this tutorial can actually get this into orbit. So what I'm going to do is stop this tutorial and pick it up where I've launched on, and I should have you'll see a nice orbit showing fairly circular around the moon.